Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how much is the battery backup drain in the Redmi Note 9 Pro if you're streaming music online. So for example, if you're using the Spotify or any other music application, and how much the battery will be drained. So if you want to know friends, so this is a video for you all. And before that, do subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do message me to the WhatsApp number. So if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can ask me. So just send me the screenshot friends after subscribing to my channel. So don't forget to send me the screenshot and click the like button as well friends. And let's get started with this test. So during this test friends, I have used with the mobile data connection only. So I have taken the screenshot at the time of making this video. So I have used the application online radio application friends. So let me show you what application. So this is called Radiogram, so which is a online music service, online radio service, so which I have used for 2 hours friends, continuously playing only the music from the phone. And during this process I have connected to my Bluetooth earphones friends. So it is a Bluetooth earphones which I connected. Let me open the screenshot which I have taken. So it is a screenshot friends which are taken around 5:28 p.m. as you can see friends, 5:28 p.m. clearly, and I connected to the Bluetooth earphones. So Bluetooth earphones friends, maybe the results might be vary with using normal earphones, but I just want to try the Bluetooth earphones, so you can estimate if you're using normal earphones, definitely it will be very less. So using the 4G connection. So battery percentage is around 81% friends, and after 2 hours of continuously streaming, and during this time I did not unlock the phone or anything, I just kept the phone aside playing the music only and with the mobile data, and 7:30 p.m. and the battery dropped to 75% as you can see friends clearly. So overall there's a decrease of 6% friends during this process of 2 hours of test. 2 hours online streaming is drained only 6% friends. So for 1 hour 3% of battery drain will be there in the Redmi Note 9 Pro if you are streaming music online only. So let me calculate friends how many hours you can get through with this. So for 1 hour 3% got drained. So let me try to calculate friends. So 100 divided by 3. So if you consider for every so overall you can stream around close to 25 to 30 hours if you take the round figure into the consideration. So overall the streaming, online music streaming, these are the statistics friends which I have did in this phone. So let me know friends if you want me to do any other battery draining test on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So definitely I'll be very much happy to do that. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.